Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Pad X9, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this tablet. So to get started, you want to turn it off by holding the power button and selecting power off. Now once the device turns off, hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. Now once the screen turns off, you can then let go of the buttons, and this will then take us to recovery mode. In here, we're going to select clear data, and then you want to tap on clear cache partition. This then begins this process, which only takes a couple seconds. Once it's finished, you can just select back and then restart, which will then boot you back into Android. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.